For US President Donald Trump, the stock market has become more than just an economic indicator. It has become a measure of his presidency. Now, this week, Trump marked an Oval Office first by ringing the opening bell of the US stock market. Since returning to office, US equities have gained nearly 25%, adding around $15 trillion in market value. Trump has repeatedly cited these record highs as proof that his policies are delivering results. His administration has also introduced investor-focused initiatives, including government-backed investment accounts for newborns and proposals to match retirement savings, arguing that more Americans should benefit from capital markets. However, economists caution that a rising stock market does not necessarily reflect the financial well-being of all Americans. According to Gallup, roughly 40% of US households own no stocks, while the wealthiest 1% control more than half of all US equity holdings. And that means much of the recent market rally has disproportionately benefited higher income households. Economists describe this as a K-shaped economy, where wealthier Americans continue to see gains through financial assets, while many middle and lower income families remain challenged by elevated living costs and inflation. Although the US economy has maintained steady growth and low unemployment, wage gains have also struggled to fully offset higher prices in recent months. Supporters argue that Trump's close attention to Wall Street boosts investor confidence and helps reduce the risk of major market disruptions. Some believe that the administration's willingness to respond to market volatility provides reassurance to businesses and investors. Critics, however, contend that relying too heavily on stock prices overlooks key indicators such as wage growth, consumer spending, small business health, and overall economic output. Trump's personal wealth gains in the stock market remain another issue, with senators calling out the US president for profiting during his presidency. But in Trump's world, everybody is profiteering.
Well, you know why I'm profiting? Because the stock market's going up. Everybody's profiting. If you have a
While record stock prices remain a prominent feature of Trump's economic messaging, economists say they represent only one part of a much broader picture of the US economy.